Well, you're on top, Dottie. You just jumped down from there a few minutes ago. Yeah. Everybody's after you now. It's lonely at the top. Oh my goodness. Okay, you found the box. Yeah. Ah, you got down, didn't you? Okay. And now the chasing and whatever. My goodness. Got a mousey. Oh my goodness. They would probably love a cat tree, but then they'd probably jump off of it on top of everything else and get out of this space. Uh-huh. Mm. She's the biggest kitten, Miss Dottie. Another litter box rumble. Okay. Yes, you know how to get down this time. You didn't have to jump. Oh my goodness, it's getting rough over there. They've learned how to turn upside down now. Can't keep up with them. Mama cat is not interested in them coming near her at the moment. I don't know. Maybe she'll let them nurse. She must have turned them away. Okay. Now you look like you're smoking a cigarette because you got a piece of litter in your mouth. Dear heavens. You've picked up some bad habits somewhere in a former life.